Something is happening inside you. These are toxins. They're killing your memory. But at 2 a.m., the floodgates open. Your cells shrink to make room for the wash. The glymphatic flush is in full effect. If this fails, your brain starts to decay. Now, we go deeper into the bloodstream. This is what happens when you skip rest. Your immune army is waking up now. Your heart is entering recovery mode. Blood pressure drops to protect your arteries. The rhythm changes to heal the tissue. Small damages from the day are sealed. Deep in your bones, a secret is hidden. Your DNA is literally breaking apart. Meet the construction crew of your life. They scan your code for every single error. They stitch your genetic code back together. This is why you don't wake up with cancer. A perfect copy is made for your new cells. The instructions are being reset for tomorrow. The blueprint for your health is refreshed. Your body is hunting zombie cells right now. The power plants are recharging their fuel. Energy is stored for your morning sprint. This is the energy you'll feel at 8 a.m. Without this, you wake up exhausted. The liver is processing every toxin you ate. Chemicals are broken down and neutralized. The purification process is almost complete. Your skin is building its own shield. New proteins are woven into the surface. This is the only beauty secret that works. The master hormone is about to release. It only happens during your deepest sleep. Growth hormone, the fountain of youth. It repairs your strength while you dream. It repairs your strength while you dream. Sugar is the enemy of your nightly repair. The gold wave crashes and disappears. Without the hormone, you age twice as fast. But if you're fasted, the healing is 10x. Your memory is being saved to the disk. Flush, repair. Recharge, rebuild. You are officially a new person. Your brain is ready for a fresh start. This is the power of the nightly reboot. Billions are missing this. Don't be one. Most people wake up partially broken. Join the movement to master your body. Don't miss the next biological secret. Click here to see the 2-hour sleep secret.